HSI Polo 67. Yan ang re-review natin for tonight's video. Okay, so nabili natin si Polo 67 sa ating TikTok shop and nagkakalaga siya ng less than 250 pesos kasi I think they went on sale. Okay, so it comes in your typical box from HSI, gold, yellow, black, gray combination ng colors, and then sa harapan of course may branding and nakasabi dito motivational perfume, and this is EDP 22 to 30% oil concentration. Okay, so before we go ahead and open the box and bring out the perfume, check natin si Fragrantica as usual. And in terms of the main accords, ang sabi dito aromatic, citrus, woody, fruity, fresh, spicy, sweet, fresh, earthy, herbal, and tropical. Ang dami, no? Alright, and then let's move on and check on ano yung mga notes. Top notes niya, meron pineapple, bergamot, lemon. Middle notes naman ay sage, juniper, rosehip, vetiver, and patchouli, and goldenrod. And this is very appropriate according to Fragrantica to be worn during summer, day, and sometimes during the night. Okay, so let's go ahead and open. Bring out the perfume. And as usual, meron siyang plastic cover and may naka-wrap na sticker around the bottle. So, ang ganda ng bottle, very simple, very presentable, and hindi siya yung tulad ng mga typical na frosted glass na nabibili natin ng mga perfume sa mga department store or sa mall. So, nakalagay din dito, which is something that I really like, kung ano yung perfume na ginagaya nila. Polo 67. Okay, so let's go ahead and open. Tanggalin na natin yung plastic. And let's do 2 sprays on our left wrist. As usual, yan. Ang ganda ng kanilang sprayer, ang ganda ng buga. Okay, tama-tama yung volume and tama-tama yung spread ng ating atomizer. Okay, so let's go ahead and check kung ano yung maamoy natin ng mga nota sa ating Polo 67 ni HSI. I think naamoy ko dito yung bergamot and then yung sage and juniper. Pero pineapple and lemon medyo yeah, doon pala siya lumalabas after a few seconds, yung pineapple at saka yung kanyang lemon. So very fresh, very citrusy yung kanyang scent. And tama nga si Fragrantica, this is best used during the hot weather. So tama-tama, medyo mainit ngayon sa labas. Si Polo 67 is one of those perfumes na magagamit natin for this summer season. So testingin natin siya for the next couple of days and I'll let you know kung ano yung performance ni ating Polo 67 in terms of projection, longevity, and of course yung silage ni Polo 67. Okay, so yan na muna ang ating video for tonight. If you have any questions, suggestions, or anything that you'd like for me to review, please leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you soon. Thank you so much for watching and bye!